Ito na ang Seth and Lai and si Kuya Alan, syempre. The master camper. Master mechanic na, master camper pa. Ito dito kami sa dito kami sa playground ng band. Oh, ang ganda ng location. Be careful, Kuya, baka mahulog ka. Ang galing. Careful, Kuya. Ayan, parang yung mga parents yung kinakabahan eh. There you go. Okay, so punta na tayo dun. Be careful. Okay. Papakita daw si Kuya Davon. Wow! Galing! And look at that, fam. It's the Green Mountain. And yun yung parang infamous na mountain dito sa and puntahan natin si Kuya Davon. Davon, where are you? And nandito na tayo sa Banff Bridge. Let's see kung ano ang tawag dito. And boom! There you go! Ano siya? Anong tawag? Sabi ko Banff Bridge lang eh. Nancy Poe Bridge. Yan. Ganda. Lianica, Lian, stay close to mommy and daddy, please. Ganda dito. It's our first time here, love.
Yeah, we
right?
never went.
Look at that. Tingnan niyo yung kulay, fam, nung
Now imagine you
tubig.
went
Ang
there.
ganda.
Imagine you went there. No.
Nature dito. Quick pan.
Avon.
Ganda ng tubig, oh. Blue-green, mates. Blue-green, mate. Sorry. No one's participating. Let's go home. Let's go home. Okay.
No, I don't want to go home.
If you guys don't follow mommy and daddy,
Mommy, this way go.
Yeah. First time. Ganda, love, oh.
welcome to Banff.
Ganda. There you go, fam. Oh, ganda, oh. Ganda. Look at that, fam. May tumalon. Sarap. Sarap, ang lamig. Oo. Ayan.
Sarap sana tumalo, no?
There you go, fam. So, si girl, enjoy na enjoy.
Very short.
Sa sunbathing talaga. So, we're done here. Nakapost na daw ang lahat sa kanilang mga social media. So, lakad na tayo. Grabe. Grabe yung kulay ng river eh. Kakaiba eh. So,
Meron pala dito
punta na tayo ng
Ano na?
I think maghahanap na tayo ng pagkain.
Ayan pala eh.
Merienda.
Tinawagan. Hindi ka tinawagan.
Hindi kami tinawagan. Ayan pala, love. May pagkain na pala dyan eh. Ayan oh.
Ano sasabi sa atin?
Na-late na tayo. So, there you go, fam. Punta na kami. Hanap na kami ng food. Medyo gutom na at kailangan ng merienda. Okay? There you go, fam. Ganda. Pakita ko to kay mommy and kay daddy. Iba-ibang view eh. Non-stop. Lian!
Ayoko. Baka mahulog ako.
And picture taking ang family. Ganda oh. Ganda nung backdrop namin oh. Wow.
Yana, let's go baby.
Let's go!
Ayan, number
Ito na kami sa McDonald's. Ice cream naman. Kasi nag-promise kami sa mga bata after nung picture taking and sa paglalakad dito, mag-McDonald's naman. So there you go. Quick pan again habang nandito tayo sa Banff. And from tinawag ako ni Lian, may funny car daw dito. Ayan. What's that, Lian? It's a funny van. Okay, we're back. Lakad ulit tayo, fam. Yan si mommy. Yan ang mga kiddos. Okay, we're on our way to McDonald's. Mac's, MacD, McDo.
Look, Daddy.
Superman. Look,
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 Daddy. This is something good. A Lamborghini.
It's a Lamborghini here. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so we're just going to order
Take out tayo.
Big Mac, nuggets, fudge sundae, vanilla cone, $34. Let's go. Labas muna tayo. McDonald's at punta tayo ng thrift store. May nakita akong thrift store dito. Feeling ko mga souvenirs pa rin ang benta dun sa thrift store nila. But let's check it out. Nasaan na yung thrift store? Ayun. There. Siya. Okay, susumahan nyo akong mag-thrift store sa Banff. It's called Rundle United Thrift. So let's check it out. There you go. Ito yung entrance nila. This outfit, all thrifted. Let's see. Oh, simple ano lang. And ang lakas ng sounds nila, fam. So later na lang. I'll just check kung ano pwede natin bilhin. There you go, fam. Meron sila dito for accessories. Tuning of parts. Oh, okay. Nice. Dito sa mga household items nila, mukhang okay yung mga benta nila, malilinis and all. So there you go. Pili lang tayo. Okay, and we're ready to go. I was able to buy a few stuff. Ayos ba, sis? Fam, and nandito na kami sa bus stop. So while waiting for the bus pabalik ng Tunnel Mountain, na-convince ko sina sister and sina mommy na pumunta doon sa thrift shop. So baka daw may mabili sila. So we're going to check kung ano ang mabibili nila. Then, nandito na sila. So, waiting na lang kami for the Tunnel Mountain Bus. Ayan. So, kompleto na kami. So, again, another pan tayo.
Yan, meron na yan.
There you go. And there you go, fam. After 32 years, nandito na ang aming bus. There you go, Tunnel Mountain. Pabalik na kami. Punuan ng bus, fam. Number 2, Tunnel Mountain. Here, let's go, let's go. Okay.
$2, $4. Where are you going?
Alright, there you go. Thank you very much. Alright. Okay. It's full. Okay, go. Punuan ang aming bus, fam. So, mommy, how's our bus? Full. Puno. So we're going back to our campsite. And it's full pack. There you go. It's full. It's full. Grabe, ganda ng bundok. Hello, Ronkies. At last, nakauwi din. After 38 years. Tagal ng bus nila, parang siguro nag-limited yung number of bus nila. Isang oras eh.
Yeah.
Nakatulog na.
Ayan.
Hindi ka.
Yeah, it's okay, baby. Just close your eyes. Yeah. Love you. It's okay.
Here you go, fam. Tulong sina Davon kumuha ng kahoy pang bonfire namin. Go, no. You just bring it there. Bring it. Okay, fam. So, nandito na kami sa campground namin and nakapag-start na din ng fire. And si Master Jasper, ang ating dinakdakan king.
Which one? Yeah, you
Crispy,
can
huh?
magically into a witch is a girl. So and I
There you
eat the
go.
girl.
It's our last night
You're a girl.
dito sa tunnel
You're a witch.
campground. So prepare lang kami ng dinner. And then si Kuya nag-start din ng fire yan sa kabila. Tingnan natin dito kung ano ang start. Ayan. So dalawa yung bonfire namin for tonight. There you go. Si Brother John ang nagkukumpuni ng aming bonfire. At cooking na kami ng liempo and liver. Barbecue night kami for our last night.
Then me.
Bilis nga, Sep! Yo! There you go! The Master Ihaw. Taga Ihaw.
Sarap po.
Sarap nito.
Sarap nito.
Kapaligo ko yan. Kuya Devon, Kuya Josh,
Sarap!
Go na, with daddy. Joy. Ano, daddy? Ang ginagawa mo?
Nag-iihaw. Naghihiwa na pala. For our dinner. Tonight. Last night. Dito sa Tunnel Mountain.
Hugas ka ba ng kamay?
Of course. Lagi yan. Automatic.
Very good.
Wait, let me lay on
Hello, my baby girl.
I'm by myself.
Yeah, I know. You're
I
by...
got the Chloe.
Hi, baby girl.
I'm using this scooter.
Okay, very good.
This scooter. I wrote a lecture.
And fam, so it's our last night here in Banff Tunnel Mountain Campground. So sobrang ganda talaga ng place na to. Yeah, although pag i-compare ko siya sa wilderness, yung last time namin na camping, mas gusto ko yung wilderness kasi may mga facilities siya. Like heated pool, may jacuzzi and all. Pero ito sobrang ganda din kasi yung binabayaran mo talaga ay ang view na yan. Rundle Mountain. Pinapaligiran ka talaga ng Rockies dito. So yun naman ang pinagkaiba niya. So there you go. And yeah, salamat sa pagsama sa Alba Fam Bam again today. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat sa 1,600 subscribers namin. Thank you so much for all your support. And for sure, dagang Bisaya na supporters na to dira. Salamat po kayo sa inyo ha. And see you on the next video. Pabalik kami ng Calgary bukas. Ayan. And may special kami palang pupuntahan habang pabalik ng Calgary. So tingnan natin. It's either makakabalik ba kami una sa bahay or sila muna ang pupuntahan natin. Pero basta, special na special ang pupuntahan natin tomorrow. And for sure, kilala nyo sila. So see you on the next video and hang loose.